What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Hedera Hashgraph here, and as you can see, this chart pretty much telling its whole own story really, isn't it? Let's just adjust some of these levels here so they're a bit more accurate and meaningful, something like this. We've got this level here, decent level here. And then obviously, yeah, probably a level there as well. Let me just save that. So as you can see, Hedera Hashgraph was basically in a huge downtrend for a long time. Not necessarily huge in terms of price, but just a long trickle to the downside. As you can see, we obviously had the May crash here, which, you know, just compounded the misery for Hedera Hashgraph holders. We had a decent, you know, 10x from December. What is this, 3 cents? Come up to around 45 cents, so around a 15x. It rolls over all the way back down to 15 cents, so only at around a 5x there, where it finally finds a bit of support on this previous swing high here. We come down, we find support at that level. Really bullish, as you can see. And then since then, I mean, Hedera has been doing really well, hasn't it? You can see on this chart, broken out of the downtrend that it was in, got above the EMAs, just really, you know, making its way up, and its price action correlated quite similarly to a lot of smart contract platforms, basically. So basically a project that's looking extremely good. Overall, you can see it obviously got its W double bottom, came back to where it formed it, chopped it up. We come back up, come back down. If we just throw our fib retracement tool on here, you'll see we're actually retesting all of these Fibonacci confluences perfectly on the way up as well. Making our way up through the levels, you can see here, obviously broke through the 038, resistance, support, resistance. We come up to the 618, we come back down, resistance, and then obviously the EMAs as well, dragging us up the whole time. We beat the 618, we come down, one last test of the 050, smash the 078, we come all the way past the all-time high, almost reaching that 127 extension, but we do get, you know, basically we roll over at around that 60 cent level. Got overextended, and then obviously that bearish September, China FUD and all kinds of nonsense set in. We roll all the way over, we find a bounce pretty much perfectly on our 618 here, along with the 55 moving average for support. We come back up, but we're stuck under the 20 as from what we can tell here. We roll over again, retest and double bottom like this. And then obviously, since then we've had a really nice pump for Hedera. Moving to the upside here, you can see we've had around a 33% gain in four or so days. So, I mean, look at this chart and tell me that it doesn't look bullish, because it's looking pretty damn good from what I can tell anyway. Potentially we're forming this big long cup and handle as well, looking something like this. And if we do come back up towards this level, we could be looking at a massive explosion in price. But pretty clear in our opinion that Hedera looking really good, showing a lot of confidence for a lot of these levels, respecting the fib levels really well. And, you know, it's starting to get that pickup off the bottom again, looking really strong. If we look at our hourly time frame here, you can see obviously that we had loads. We were really overextended, weren't we? Loads of bullish divergences all over the place. Histogram momentum to the downside decreasing, bears getting too greedy, and then bam, we have started to just get that pickup over the past few days. And, you know, we've basically come up to a resistance here at around that 40 cent level. And, you know, if we start to break this, then we've got some really nice targets going upwards to around that 41-ish, 42-ish cent area, up to that previous all-time high of 45 cents. So short-term price predictions then. Basically what we're looking at here is, if we do roll over, we've got the really nice support, the 078 with the 20 moving average at 35 cents. And we could, you know, if we rolled over massively, that 618 at around 29 cents, massive support. But if we do break this level here, we're obviously looking to head up back towards that 42, 43 cent level and that previous all-time high of 45 cents, calling our name. And then beyond that, as we said, we've got Fibonacci targets here, 227 at around $2 for Hedera as well. But we really do think that are more like $5 for Hedera, considering how good this project is, the CBDC adoption most likely as well. We could be looking at a very nice price target for Hedera. So
That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.